This is a quick video of a steering wheel and airbag removal of a Fiesta MK6. It's pretty straightforward really. If you look under the cover, we've got 3 Torx bits. So I've already removed these. One there, one here, and one right at the back there. Yeah, it takes 20 Torx bit. Once you've got that the bolts out, I'll show you what to do next. Once you've got them takes 20 Torx bits out of the bottom half of the casing, basically I've loosened this off. You lift it up and it's fastened in the back. The rubber, it will clip out. It's just on clips on the back, will clip out. And then what you need to do is make sure your ignition key's in, but you make sure your battery's off. The battery needs to be off for about half an hour before you start removing the airbag. So once that's done, put your key in ignition and turn 1, turn it 90 degrees, and then you'll see on the back as a hole there. All you want to do is screwdriver in the back. You should just be able to, there, second time of trying. Yeah, you just lift the Torx bit up and it will click off. And once you've got that side, basically turn the steering wheel 180 degrees, put it in the same way again, and same again. And once that's you've done both sides, there is 2 clips at the bottom that do pull out. So what I'll do, I'll have to put it on pause a second. But yeah, once them 2 you've clipped them 2 out, it will pull out. Alright, as you can see, I have pulled. You just unhook. It's 2 bottom ones. You can't do it while you've got hold of the camera. But yeah, once that's clipped off, then all you have to do is, there's a plug here, needs to be unplugged, and then you've got the plug here. You can either pull it off like this. That's the best way, yeah. And then after that, you've just got a 24mm socket, obviously anti-clockwise, and then the steering wheel will pull off.